Rockets fans. My name is Natalie Alvarado, and I'm the Director of Entertainment for your Houston Rockets and Coach and Choreographer for the world-famous Clutch City Dancers. I want to teach you another dance combo today, so get up and let's get started. Your first move, you're going to dip out to the right using your hands. 1, 2. Come up, step right, X in front of your face on 3. Open it up to the right. 4. Hands come to the top of the left knee. 5. You're going to drag back on that left foot. Pull the arms back on 6. Kick right, 7. We're going to throw an and count in there. And left foot comes up, hands behind the head. And you're going to close on 8. You're going to open it up on 1, hold 2. It slows down here, down to the left, touch both knees. 3, hold 4. Throwing those and counts back in there, pull the elbows back, and you're going to jump on and 5 on that left foot. Jump right and 6. Open up 7. Look at this hand, pretend like you're about to throw a ball. Throw it 8. And then you're going to pull back 1. And that is the end of the combo. Let's try the music. Okay, guys, here we go. It is a little fast, but you can do it. Ready? 6, 5. Great job, guys. Thank you for dancing with me today. I'll see you next time.